Hey guys, today we'll be learning how to use the scratch pen. My name is Ralph Itekru, and I'm 9 years old. I'll be teaching kids how to be coding with Scratch. I have 10 free classes listed below. So, let's learn how to use the scratch pen. What is a scratch pen? The scratch pen is a tool that allows users to create temporary images on the screen. It could be used to draw lines, shapes, and plot colors, pixels. The pen could also be used to draw lines behind the center of a sprite as it moves around the stage. Okay, so let's go to the create button and create a new project. Okay, so this is extensions. You click add extension and then you click pen. And then you want you need to do pen when a green flag is clicked, and then you want when space is pressed. Okay, so this is to turn on the pen, and this is to turn off the pen. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. Yeah, okay. So that means we could get started, right? Yes, we can get started. We'll put this over here when we will need a variable. It will be called pen x for all sprites only because we do not want to be greedy. Yes. Now pen y, same. Okay. Set x, pen x to actually it will be change pen x to 5 and pen x by 5 and we'll try 5. Just I hope it doesn't go too fast. Now, we also need it to be forever. And we enable it. We need to press space again. Let's see. Actually, no. Let's just do yeah, maybe we'll try it just to see if it works. Actually, never mind. Okay. So now that we have that, we need and if a sensing block. That'll be right. Okay. And before we do that, we need it to change x, set x to. Let's try. Yay, it's drawing our line. Now we need it again. And Lara will try to make a cool game of it. -5. Let's try this now. Yeah, but we want it to go up and down. Let's just duplicate this. And what we need is just an up and then down. Let's try this. Oh, but before you do that, you need to set y set y to. Okay, let's try it. Ah, wait a sec. We also need to change it. Let's try it. Wow, look at that. See? But let's make a cool game of it. So first of all, we need to bolden the pen app. How do we do that? We click change size. Okay, this one should be good. Now we just need secret block from the pen. Erase all. This will be cool. And try it. It doesn't really do anything. So that means we need another pen down. Erase all, and let's try it. Not working. We need to try to put. Let's try this one more time. Why isn't this working, huh? We need some way for it to listen. So instead we'll try to put erase up top before pen down. Let's try it. Oh, that's the reason. I think it's hiding. It's telling me it's hiding. See? Look at this little sprite. It's not really a sprite, it's actually just a pen. Pen up. And then remove that and put A. So when A is pressed, it will do something. Okay. Let's do space. You don't see it anymore. Where is it? Click A. It's visible again. Yay. So now let's see. What can we make with this? But before you make anything with this pen, watch this. Okay? Keep watching. Look at the value changing. Changing and changing. Okay, let's go left. It's not doing anything. It's still there. You have to wait until the values all the way down. Do we want that? No. We need something to block it from going too far. Okay, so that means we need another if block. If if pen x is greater than the width of the screen, which is 240, it will set pen x to the width of the screen. This will block it from going too far. So watch. Okay. I'll hold it. It's at 240. I'm gonna wait. And I'm gonna make it go back. It goes back immediately. It doesn't just wait there until the value is low enough. See? But try going to the other side. It still affects it. You need to wait. We need to duplicate this and do if an x is less than minus 240, you'll set pen x to minus 240. Let's try that. Yay! It's working! Now both sides will work. But what about up and down? Uh-oh. We have to wait. Good thing we could fix that. All we need to do is change pen x to pen y and change it to 180. And pen x, pen y, and change it to minus 180. Let's try that. And before you do that, you make sure you need to change pen y. Just don't leave it like that. And also change these values over here. 180 minus 180. Yay! It's finally working. Something is really off with this. I forgot to change this. No wonder that didn't work. Finally, something's working here. It's almost like a game, but just with something drawing and erasing. This is really cool. Do you want to make a bounce from the edge? If on the edge, bounce. That would be really cool if it could do that. Let's try that. Aww. Oh well, that was still fun. Oh my gosh, did you see that? It was making these weird stuff. Let's try that. Okay. So, if you like this video, please smash the subscribe button. And I'll see you later. Bye.